Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Boners Liquid Silicone 2-in-1 Ball Stretcher. So let's get started. So this is the 2-in-1 ball stretcher itself. And as you can see, it's got a very nice stylish design. And this sex toy lifts your penis and balls upwards and pushes them forwards. The penis and balls also swell up more because the ball stretcher makes sure the blood that flows to your testicles stays there. This toy is also made of a liquid silicone, so it's a unique material that feels incredibly soft and is also stretchy for the perfect fit. Now, when using this ball stretcher, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean it after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Boners Liquid Silicone 2-in-1 Ball Stretcher. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.